Hi, this is Tarek here from stockoptionexpert.com, covering today market actions. First of all, I want to go through SPY S&P 500. This is where the resistance were developing here. I kept an eye to add the put volume here right on the top of 210.25, but this morning I added more puts to my previous position today, right at the open here. Intraday, this thing just pulled back hard. Just want to show you where we added puts here. Just to show you in 5 minute chart. This is where this is in real time today, May 31st. This is in real time. In the morning, this is in the morning here. This is where it pull back hard. So to our members, if you are one of our premium members, you got this alert at Option Expert Premium Twitter. I just want to show the time. It's 9:15. Even pre-market, we said a spike and visit 208 in next week as it is overbought. And I will cover up a bit later. And then right at open, look at this one at 60 hours before 9:32 a.m. today, 31st May. I said SPY W adding more puts to my last week's puts. Overall pullback can be possible. And if you saw here, this thing failed at 1065 and it did visit right 209.25. So this is nice pullback here, although it's seeing some sold bounce right now. So this is pretty amazing how it worked out for us. I locked some profits. Well, looking at this zone here, if 209 is broken, we can see lower, but 209 has to be broken here. But I will be looking to short the bounces next few days. Also another one we have also weeks. This is inverse to SPY, although it did bounce nicely. There was calls activity from last week. If you look in 5 minutes, this inverse head and shoulder. There was big 3000 calls bought. I posted that in my public account earlier. If you keep an eye, probably this can go and test 14 here. This was my post here earlier. Block buy at 11:58 a.m. and there was a 5,000 calls block at 23 cents for the weeks expiring next week. So weeks still has time. The low is holding, and if you look at daily, this is almost oversold here. And this is oversold. I believe that if once this downtrend is broken, this thing can shoot up. Another big one, Apple. Everyone follows this one. This one is hitting resistance at this 101.55. We saw big put volume. I showed earlier here. Look at this. This is from a premium account again from 27th. We saw a 5,000 contract put volume bought for July first week. This at 249. This is a big put spread. So if you're a put trader, this spread could pay well. And this morning we added more. We alerted our members right at open, and it is trading $1 lower. So that smart money can pay if this one pulls back, keeping close eye on that one as well. There are some other calls activity in Moro is saying calls flow today. So this one, although it could not break this level, but there was some call activity on this one. I think I had a post right here. Yeah, someone bought June 15 calls, 1100 volume. So it needs to break to 1355 to go higher. Right here, if you look at the TLT, got a nice bounce from the low at right at open. You see the timing, it's 9:37. We told our member about TLT. 9:37. If you look at 9:37 candle, you will get a feel where we call for it. This is 9:37 was right here at this level. This is 31st 5 minute candle. This is trading at 130.25. Nice quick money. It just shooted up as a SPY pullback. So keeping close eye on this. UVXY is a strong too. This is where you got paid if you added some here at 10.50. It's more 75 cents and a half. Also, VIX is getting some over VIX. Yeah, VIX got some bounce too, same as 13 here, but it need to break today's high for pushing higher. This is holding horizontal support here, and another one keep failing. Nike's big pullback. Every time you see this downtrend, how it is playing out. Every time it comes here, it fails. It keeps pulling back. Although there are some support here, we saw big July put block. I did have this post so many times. There was a big put block buy. This is from April 22nd. And if you think about it, Nike has not moved much since April. We have passed May, and even today, this is down again. It's because the puts is sitting on this around put strike. Also, 55 puts are active. They had a 70. This was a $1 million bet because look at 7,400 and 62.5 puts. So the bears got paid, and bulls are just holding and because it has not moved much. The move, whatever it had, it's in a downtrend. Although like, you have to see how it plays out around this zone here. It's still pretty weak. I saw some put volume even today as well. So watching this one closely as well. Another massive mover for us is Moo. Moo just keeps working. This is massive, this is where we saw call volume long time ago. The trend support held and it got upgraded. This is where if you follow us, we have been repeating this one. It paid like 300% and plus. Huge call. I believe it was in our account for last many days. Not even today. It has been there. If you follow us, you got the alert and you are making big money. I just want to show more. Look, the alert came here. More we copy pasted this May 18th. They added 10,000 July calls, and since then this has not pulled back. This is turned out to be a big mover. This is why we track big volume because they pay big. Some of those calls have paid more than 300%. This is a bet from May 18th. This is why it's worth following the big smart money. It was around here. They added today. It's like big move, also almost like 20% plus move. Look, it has not looked back. All green candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days continuation straight green candles and massive profit. So keep an eye on market. It's overbought. It can pull back more if it cannot push through here. This is a massive resistance zone. Look at here. This is heavy resistance. We are into heavy resistance zone. So. Tread carefully and please share. Thank you.